A little gap there. It's not bad. It's thick, very thick. Got some weight to it. All the metal pieces are very thick. Got a nice silk bag. I didn't order, so they just included that. Oh yeah, nice. Sick. It doesn't feel cheap here. That's better than I expected. I have to take this plastic off more carefully later. It seems nice and tight and strong. Although this is, yeah. No, that's wood. What does it feel with plastic? No, it's wood. Just a light wood on both blades. On both. See how tight this fits in here. Oh yeah, that's wrong, isn't it? Not the wrong end. It is the wrong end. Alright. Okay, here we go. That's tight. Fits nice and snug. So that's not going to fall out. That's good. Take that off of there. Probably not doing a very good job filming this. But as you can see, it's, well, you can't really see it, but it's Damascus. Trying to get a good light. Flashlight. There, you can see that now. Damascus. There. Anyway. I didn't pay for them to sharpen it either, but it's sharp. So that's nice. The weight balance is good. It's a full-size sword. And I'll do some real testing with it later. Got a marker on it. Whatever, that's fine. Not sure what that is. I think it's just a Sharpie or something. Yeah, that'll come off. But yeah, I like it. I'll do some testing with it. It's only $500. It's supposed to be, oh there, I'm gonna wrap that. It's supposed to be a good quality blade. Like an actual sword. It's not a display piece. It's not a costume toy. Anyway, pretty cool.